Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be making baked chicken. This recipe was so easy to make and so good. The chicken was so tender, so juicy, and it only takes about a few ingredients to make this, so let's get started. To start off, we'll make a seasoning blend or mix. All you need is vegetable oil, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, chopped cilantro, garlic paste, and that's about it. I will be leaving the recipe down below with the exact measurements. I am making a lot of chicken, so you can definitely divide this recipe in half or even double it if you're making more than I am. Once you have everything in the bowl, you want to give that a really good mix. Combine everything. You don't want any clumps in there. You want all the seasonings to be fully mixed in together. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I try to upload every Monday if possible. Next, we're going to add our seasoning blend to the chicken. I use about 4 pounds of chicken thighs and 4 pounds of chicken drumsticks. I am making a big batch. You don't have to do this. You can divide it in half, do what you need to do. You want to add your chicken to a baking dish. We are baking this at 350 for about an hour. Once the hour is done, crank the heat up to 370 and bake it for 20 more minutes. I am serving my chicken with some homemade mashed potatoes. You can serve it with rice, vegetables, whatever you want. This chicken turned out to be so good. It was really simple and easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Let me know down below what you guys want to see more of.